Now for those of you who have never used any form of spray paint technology before, don't be put off. It really takes minutes to get used to it. Start off by getting yourself an old cardboard box. Once you've filled your reservoir up with paint, you're ready to start painting. There's a paint flow control on the side of the unit. Simply turn that down to settings 2 to start with, and that'll project the paint out nice and slow and just a small amount at a time. Now once you're comfortable at that speed, you can simply turn the settings up a little bit higher to maybe about 4 or 5 and then try again. Once you're comfortable at that speed, turn it up even higher again, 7 or 8, and start spraying. Now the higher the setting is, it will project out more paint, so you'll do a larger area quicker. But of course everybody will find their own speed to get the perfect finish. Now with WAGNER's ice spray technology, the paint comes out the very centre of the nib here. You've got 2 airflow controls, top and bottom, which directs the paint, and then you have a manual setting on the top where you can reduce it down to a very narrow passover of paint, or the higher you take that up, it goes wider. I'm going to do your 3 little lines on here to explain. There you can see the difference. You can range from about 50 millimeters wide all the way up to about 200. That'll give you the flexibility of getting into nice tight corners all around window reveals, and then of course the larger passover that'll allow you to do large flat areas like walls and ceilings. Now the final setting on the front allows you to spray from side to side or up or down by simply moving the dial like this. When you're spraying the wall, keep the nib away from the surface. You also want to keep it moving at all times at a consistent pace. When I'm spraying up and down, I like to pass over 50% at a time. So you're kind of getting 2 coats of paint when you're going up and down. Once you've done one wall, turn the nozzle and then go from side to side. That way you're getting 2 solid coats up and down and left to right, which is going to give you a true professional finish in a fraction of the time.